the boating adventure community post channel update number 15. Today is the 8th of February 2023 and I'm at Swarkestone, and this is the River Trent at Swarkestone. The local authority have recently refurbished the cycle track which runs from Melbourne down to Swarkestone, and they've made a really good job of doing it. The last time I came this way on this swamp nook, they were just putting in the foundations for it. Bridge number 12. And now they've finished it, and we've taken a really good opportunity to walk down here, and we haven't got our feet muddy at all. It's brilliant. You may have noticed, if you've been looking at the videos that are scheduled, that there is a slight gap in the filming. On the 18th of February, it appears that there is no video. The reason for that is that next week, on the 16th of February, I have a press pass to go to the NEC to the second Boat Life Live exhibition. And what I wanted to do this year was to try and film as much of the exhibition as I can and get that film out as soon as I can, so that if there's anybody interested in wanting to maybe go to it, they would still have an opportunity, because it runs until Sunday the 19th. So that's what I'm intending to do. So there will be a video, and it will probably come out either on the Thursday or the Friday. Thank you for watching this update, and do take care.